What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with my Dead Beats X and my Dead Beats Studio 2 wireless. Yes, I know it's very sad times. They were both some of my favorite earbuds and headphones for the gym, and now they've fallen from grace after about a year of use on the Beats X and about 2 years on the Beats Studio Wireless 2s. You know, electronics don't last forever, at least not in this case. Beats don't. We all know. No matter how good they sound, headphones will always run the risk of electronics failing from wear and tear, shorts in the cords, and things like that. I mean, I paid $150 for these bad boys plus tax, which isn't cheap, and as I said, they only lasted me for about a year. So it got me thinking, how much usage do you have to get out of your headphones before you get your money's worth, or do you need them to last forever until you upgrade to really warrant the price? I mean, usage also varies from person to person. I mean, some people use them at the gym, and some only use them for home and office usage with low wear and tear. So for me, I'm a heavy user. I use mine 24/7 with constant charging, and the batteries don't charge as well as when I first got them. Electronic shorts may happen. It's all relative. In my opinion, of course we want them to last forever, but that in my experience is not always the case. So I pose this question to you. How long do your headphones need to last for you to feel like you got your money's worth? Are you more likely to buy again from that company if your headphones died, but you really liked their product, their headphones? Because I'm struggling right now whether to buy another pair of the Beats X or just move on to a more stable brand. Let me know down below what I should do and what you guys usually do. Alright guys, so that is gonna do it for this video. It's just a quick and short video. I just had this topic on my mind. Of course, both these headphones have broken for me in the last 2 months, so I'm really disappointed in Beats, especially for the price. So yeah, what can we do? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy BT saying peace.